All right, welcome back. So let's get some beer into cans. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to use my Great Fermentations tap cooler counter pressure can filler with, of course, its fittings that have been soaking in sanitizer because who knows where they have been since I moved. And we're going to use the Cannular Semi-Auto Pro version with the splash guard. Alrighty, so let's get to it. First, I'm just going to sanitize like 8 cans, I guess, and get my filler set up. So, of course, there's a lip on this, but I have chunks of wood just everywhere because that's my life. The nice thing about this is I'm actually going to be able to leave this here because this is my new canning cart and it'll be great. I'm super stoked. All right, so sanitizing that actually does touch the lid of the can, so we want to make sure it's all sanitized. Let's get this set up. So this is just Star San. That's what I use for my sanitizing. If you guys want to get an in-depth video of how to use the Great Fermentations tap cooler, you can go to this video above, and I've got a link for it below. I love this thing. You can also fill bottles with just like this part. It's got like one more fitting on it, but they're pretty interchangeable, so it works great for pretty much whatever you got going. If you are just filling a growler for a second for a friend, or if you're actually running a whole canning line. It's awesome. Okay, so our CO2 goes here. This is like the pressure release valve, and basically you just go and you fill the cans that way. Okay, so let's spray down some cans. I always say I'm gonna do like 8 cans and then I end up canning my entire keg, so I'm probably just gonna can my entire keg. So what am I gonna start with? I think my hibiscus is the least carbonated right now. So I think I'm gonna start with the hibiscus pale ale that I made for the Pink Boots Day Brew. I'm actually surprised there's a decent amount left in here. The thing about brewing is you try to do one thing and it means you have to do 1,000 things, which is super great when you are ADHD. All right, so this gas line is gonna go right here, and this will supply the CO2 to basically purge the cans and whatnot. The other gas line is going straight into the keg to push it out. All right, so now I'm gonna attach this guy to a ball lock liquid line. Sanitize it. This is going to our liquid, and it's open. Ah! Every time. This is what brewing is all about, guys. Probably needed to purge it anyway. It's good, it's all good. I'm just gonna purge it a little bit more to cool down the lines and make sure there's no sanitizer left in there. All right, guys. So you can kind of set this at whatever height you want it. So that's about good. I'm gonna respray it. And we're ready to go. All right, so let's do this. It's been a while. Guys, I'm a little nervous. I seriously haven't done this in a while. And I guess we'll see if it works still. You know what I didn't do is purge it. So I get to drink this beer. That is not mine. Let's try again. Okay, purging. Helps if your line is on. All right. So it's purging. All right, let's try this. All right. You always want to cap on foam, so don't worry if you lose a bit. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try this splash guard. Okay, this is the first time ever using. Please be patient. Okay, it's in the hole. Locked in. Splash guard down. It is on. Definitely on. Okay, guys. I'm nervous. Not gonna lie. Let's go. Did I blow my circuit? Okay. So, just like the old one, except we only hit a button. And it didn't get all over my apartment. Woohoo! Yes. All right, let's do some more. Goodbye, keg. And this calls for celebratory whiskey. I love this thing because it gives you like the perfect amount of foam, the perfect fill, and it's really clean compared to like other methods like that aren't capped essentially. Though I do love my beer gun, I think I like this guy better. I really love that it just stops itself. Woohoo! Breaking into the 21st century, guys. Semi-automatic. This is like kind of almost a hands-free endeavor at this point. Like, you don't have to hold this. Like, you're not doing this kind of situation. You're just watching it. This, put it on, turn it, watch it. It's pretty great. Just need to get a robot to do all the stuff that is not happening with these machines. So, or an assistant. Another success. All right, guys, as much as I would love to have you watch me can probably 30 beers, I got some true crime podcasts that are calling my name, and yeah, I'd rather not be watched. So I will see you guys next time. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I've got a Patreon going. You can get bonus content, merch, whatnot, all my videos early, Actually, this one came out like the same day as the can builder came out, so stuff like that happens. Also, I have my own podcast. It is called Brewing After Hours with Sarah Flora, so check that out. We've got a few episodes up, probably 5 or 6. I can't ever remember. But it is good, and I really get to talk to some amazing people. That's kind of why I'm doing it. So check that out. I will see you guys next time. A big shout out to my newest patron, Craig Gunderson. Thanks so much for your support. I'll see you guys next time.